Hello, namaste and welcome in the series of cybersecurity. This side is Meena and today I will demonstrate you data encryption. First of all, we need to understand why we are using it. We are having some important data which we don't want anyone can see it without decrypting it. Okay, and to decrypt that data, we need some key which we use to encrypt it. Okay, so that means we are using symmetric key. Same key we will use to encrypt it and the same key we will use to decrypt it. Okay. In market there are a number of softwares are available, whether that's a commercial or open sourced, so that you can use it. Some of them are a trial version for month, for 10 days, for 15 days, some are trial with some limited options. Okay, and here is a list of the few of them like Xcrypt, Veracrypt, Disk Cryptor, long list. Okay, today I will show you the demonstration of Veracrypt, okay, which is open source. Anyone can download it, can install it with the full functionality. You need not to pay anything for it. Okay, so let's say, and it's very famous software to encrypt. We can encrypt with it are some files, drives, okay, some folders, whatever you want, you can encrypt it. So first of all, we need the software. From the website of the Veracrypt, like www.veracrypt.fr, you can this is the download link. You can download the latest version of Veracrypt from that. Either just you are using for Windows, for the Mac OS you are using, or for the Linux. Okay, so after downloading it from that website, install it, whatever the steps it just asks to follow, just follow those steps and install it. After installing it, you will receive it will extract it, and in the folder of Veracrypt you will find these files. So here is the veracrypt.exe file. Open it, and after double clicking it, you will get this window. And here is, first of all, we need to create a container. For example, we will use some files with the help of this creating volume. We will create a container that in that container we will use some files, okay, some files or folders, and we will use with the help of some key to encrypt. So whatever inside this container, all the files will be encrypted. Without that password you cannot open it, or anyone cannot open that particular container. Okay, so you need that particular key. First of all, we will create a volume, and these are the letters which you can assign to your particular container which you want to show as a partition for that particular with particular drive letters. Okay, first of all, we will create a volume. So click on create volume, and here it will show you the three options. First of all, you want to create a container. Okay, and if you will for example, you have some USB flash devices, some external or some internal devices, some known system partitions which you want to encrypt, you can also use. Or if you are using some if you want to encrypt the particular partition that is having the OS on it, you can also encrypt it. Clear? So here in this demonstration we will use the first option and then click on the next. After just clicking on the next, you will get the window of standard Veracrypt volume or the hidden. It will just show you the container where you will store it, and if you want to hide it, you can also have option, just you can also use. So here just I will create the normal standard version which I will create. click on the next button, and here just on which drive. First of all, you should have the space on that particular drive, and whatever the name you want to give to that container, just give the name, and you just select this one, say never save histories. So whatever the previous drive letter you assign to it, it will not save it. Okay, so just click on the next. After selecting that particular name on the particular location, click on next, and here is the encryption option. It is just asking to you, so select the AES, which is advanced version, so that it will encrypt with the strong key. And here is the, it will say after selection you will click on the next, and it will ask you how much space you want to give to that particular container. Okay, so here is just whatever the space you are having free or utilized to for particular drive or container, just mention here the space and then click on the GB. I want to give that 97 GB for that drive, which is just I gave the name here. I will show you CEH container. Okay, CH container, that is on I drive, and I will give 97 GB space to it, and then click on the next. Okay, and here is the magic key. You can say without this key, if you will forget it, you will not able to recover it. Okay, there is no method, and you will not be open that particular folder or container. Okay, so whatever the key you will mention here, remember it, give the strong key. Okay, so if you will not give the strong key, for example, say here is for the test purpose I give the short key, so it will just give the warning message, just you can ignore it. Okay, and if you want to save in this container long file more than 4 GB, then click the larger file size, yes, and then say click on next. After clicking on next, it will ask you with the special file system you need to format it. Click the NTFS and format that particular volume or the container which you created, and when after successfully created, it will just show you the message. Click on OK and then go for the next window. Then you will see in the iDrive, okay, for example, just I give the name VMware. Over there it will just show you a file that's name we assign CEH container.vc. okay, and you can see here that space is 97 GB, which we mentioned during the creation of that container. Okay, this till that these steps you need to perform only once when you will create the container. After creating this container, we need not to follow those steps, then we will open that container. Okay, so here volume created, click on the next and say exit. Here just after this created volume, which drive letter you want to assign, you need to select it here. First of all, click on the select file and select the container which we created in the previous steps, and after that assign a particular drive letter which you want. Okay, and it will just open that file under the particular drive letter. So here is, for example, I just selected Q letter, for this is the name of the file, and then click on the mount, and here is it will ask you the password which you used to create at the time of creation of that container. So give the correct password and click on OK, and here is it will just show you on the letter drive letter Q, it just mounted the container which you have created. Okay, and its space is 97 GB. Okay, and click on the next exit, and when you will browse you will see a drive that's name is Q, and it will show you the space size. Okay, here you can save, open it, and whatever the files you will save, all will be encrypted with the advanced encryption standard which we select at the time of creation of this particular container. Okay, so whatever you will place in this drive, all will be encrypted. Next time when for example just you close you just shut down your system, next time when you will start Veracrypt, okay, select that container, assign the any letters, drive letters, click on mount, it will ask you the password and it will show you the folder inside the particular drive. Okay, steps are little bit lengthy, but it's highly usable encryption software for the IT pros. Okay, follow me on the Cybersecurity Prism and get the notification for the next interesting and informative session. Also share that session with your friends and the uh, group members as well, so that they will be able to understand how to encrypt the data with the Veracrypt and can secure their data. And in the next session I will discuss about how do IBM and Cisco are providing robust security. Both are the leader, and when they are just combined, how they are providing the better security. Namaste. See you in the next session.